Hi, this is a brief video that will show you how to use the library's OneSearch system to find scholarly peer-reviewed articles that are available through the library's databases. Now, to get to the library's website, we'll start at the college homepage, and under Student Support, we're going to click where it says Library. Once you get to the library's homepage, in the center of the page, you will see something that says OneSearch. OneSearch is the library's catalog that will search across all of our resources, including print and electronic materials. In the search box, you can type in your general topic or your keywords. I'm just going to search for global warming, and I'm going to make sure that I'm searching everything because that's going to include all of our electronic databases. And then we're going to search the library. Once you do that, you will see a large list of results of a variety of sources. So we have roughly 226,000 results of a variety of different types of sources. We have books, ebooks, videos. Now, to look at only the articles, I am going to limit my search in a few different ways. On the left-hand side of the page, there are several ways that you can filter your results. I am going to limit my search to only those things that are available to me online. I'm going to limit to only peer-reviewed journals, which are scholarly journals. And I'm going to limit my search to only articles. So I don't want to look at books or book chapters or anything else. Once you've applied all of the different filters that you want, you can click on the Apply Filters button at the bottom, and that will give you a more narrow list of results. And all you're looking at now is articles that are peer-reviewed, that are available full text online. Now, we still have too many results at 42,000, so what we can do is we can add additional keywords to our search, and that will narrow down our topic a bit. So if we want to look at global warming and California, we can add that additional keyword and do an entirely new search, and that will give us a more focused list, which should get us fewer results. So we're down to about 11,000, which is still far too many, but one thing that you do have to do is when you do a new search with an additional keyword, you have to apply your filters once again. It does not hold those filters for you. So if I apply my filters again, I then have roughly 1,300 results, which is a much better list. We're never going to go through that many, but it's a much better list to work with. Now, once you have this list of more focused articles, to look at one of the articles, all you need to do is click on the title, but you'll notice that it says peer-reviewed below the article. That tells you that it is a scholarly article, one that has been reviewed by other experts in the field to make sure that it is accurate, credible, and reliable. So as we go through some of these, we can just click on the title. And when you click on the title of the article, you will see more information about it. Once you see more information about the article, you can then see the link where it allows you to access the article directly online. You can also see a description or what is called an abstract of the article available to you. You'll also notice in the center of the page, there are several tools that you can use to interact with the article. So this button right here is a citation button. This is very useful in that the system will actually give you the citation in MLA, APA, or Chicago format. So if you have to cite your sources using any of those formats, all you need to do is copy that, and then you can paste it into your paper or your assignment. Now, as you go through this list of articles, if you want to pin them or add them to your favorites, you can click on this little button right here that says Add to My Favorites. It looks like a little bit of a push pin. So you can check off as many of these articles that you want, and maybe you want to take time and look at them later on. You don't have time right now. Add as many as you would like. And then up here you will have your favorites on this little push pin. If you click on that push pin and select all 7 of your articles, the next thing you can do is click on these 3 dots, and then you can email all of these articles to yourself at once. Now, if you do this, keep in mind that you will still have to go back and get the citations for each of the articles, in which case you can just copy and paste them into one email to yourself to make it easier for you. Okay. Then if you want to, you can do an entirely new search on a different topic. So if we do immigration, and we'll still limit this to California, just to try to get a more focused list, and we will search across everything. And then once you get your list of results, once again, you're going to have a variety of sources. So we want to apply our filters, which is online, peer-reviewed, and we want to look at just articles. Apply your filters, and it will narrow down your list. Still too many to sort of handle, but getting towards a more focused, narrowed down topic. Okay, so that is a quick overview of how you would use OneSearch to find articles that are available through the library online.